Alright, today's adventure, we were outside of Payson, Arizona. We're going to do the trail Rocker Knocker. It's me, Craig, and the JK, Brent and the XJ. There's a couple of red Jeeps on the trail, 35s. It's supposed to be rocky, supposed to be climby. We'll see how that all works out as well. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we got a lot of these spots like this along this Rocker Knocker. So we'll make sure not to knock our rockers, hopefully. Yeah, this appears to be pretty standard terrain for this trail right here, the Rocker Knocker. Alright, so this is the big drop on the trail from what I understand, according to the True Off-Road video if you watch that one. It is much bigger in person, so I'm going to try to give you a little vantage of how big that actually is. Is it not as impressive as I thought?
It's pretty impressive.
Okay.
3 feet.
Well, Brent's picking up trash, and I'm over here trying to do calculations. I don't know, with the 35s and the 2-inch lift, that sounds like, or looks like I'm going to just slide down that or go over here. So yeah, we're going to do some algebra, geometry? Geometry,
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we'll be back.
Maybe.
All right, so this is not ideal, so I'll have to get that going.
Lifting it, see what happens.
Yeah, let me throw another rock behind that other back tire over here. On a hill?
Where else were you gonna go?
I know.
All the way down there.
That's why I keep it from going down the hill.
See how far it goes, just let it rip.
So here's a spot right here. It was on one of these loose rocks right when I just caught it right wrong, and I know it shot off to the side there. All right, we got that swapped out. Teamwork makes the dream work. Much better than being alone having to do that. But yeah, that means gotta play it safe the rest of the trail because I only got one spare. Here's another ledge. This one is in the upward direction. I believe at this time I'll be doing the right hand side here. much of this trail is these hill climbs where you just, you're climbing up the hill, then you go back down the other side, and it's pretty rocky the entire way, so you definitely feel it on the inside here. Another thing with these hill climbs, it's just long, 4-low, grinding up these hills. Both of our Jeeps were starting to run a little warm. So no AC the second half of the trail there. I usually run with the windows down anyways, so not too bad, but that seemed to keep everything in line. But yeah, just bumping around this trail all day long. That was Rocker Knocker. We just completed it. It's a good trail. It did seem like it took forever. I had the tire issue, cut a sidewall, got that swapped out. I think both of us realize we probably need to do some maintenance on both of our vehicles. We take them out a lot, and there's just some stuff is coming up. But yeah, it was a good day. I think any day on the trail is good. So now we're gonna load up, get out of here, probably go get something to eat. See ya. Try to get some ambiance here.
Wasn't even on fire.